Alright, everyone out.
Okay, I'm gonna go.
Dismount!
Okay, obviously platoon commander the platoon command Vic. Alpha in one, Bravo in the other. If we can, get the last Vic that we aren't using back into the thing. So this one, just get this one back into the boat. Put this one back in the boat. Yeah.
I'm in. Where do you want me as medic?
Where are we going?
Just scroll that APC.
Just grab
Are we jumping in or what?
Okay, just come with me.
Stand by.
Stick with me. Alright.
Mason.
Alpha, where's Alpha?
This one.
You're in here.
Alpha, you're in this Vic,
okay.
right here. Bravo, you follow Mason, get in that Vic, I think.
Oh, can I be gunner?
No. I already asked Mason first.
I'm gonna suck your
Besides,
nuts.
that's who I see.
No, that's smoke.
For some reason, I have this yellow bar on my screen.
Yeah, just if you have it on your
Control
screen.
tab.
Control tab.
Oh, what the fuck's the bar for?
It's
And
your
this
voice
is-
thing.
This is just like the school bathrooms, like it all over again.
Pretty much, if you hold tab and you scroll wheel, it increases how loud or quiet you are.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you scroll it down, it makes it quiet. If you scroll it up, it makes it loud.
What you said. Who's deployed smoke? What the fuck?
What the fuck? Fuck was that?
Smoke.
The fuck?
Deployed smoke. Someone deployed smoke.
That actually might have been me, but I don't know what my keybind was set it to.
Nah, it's not you, Raz.
Weasel, set yourself to blue.
So is control tab supposed to open it again?
What?
The volume thing.
Ah, you just hold tab, bro.
I don't know what it was at then.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Who cares?
Well, I want to scream at people, so you know. So why are we going to this airbase?
We're like very stealthy.
Yeah,
Are
very
we stealing
stealthy.
something? Gaming.
Oh, here we go.
Let's go.
Mason,
Let's step off.
maybe you are drunk, but don't crash.
I got it.
It's Mason driving.
Of course
Yeah.
we do it this
Yeah, I
way.
was told to.
Oh, give the drunk man a driving.
Give this man his keys.
Can he even drive? He's probably not legal.
This is
That's another tree.
scary.
What do you mean? We'll drive over it.
Really
You're on another
fucking
tree.
scared, mate.
We have
I'm scared
traps. We're
because
not going to
you're
get stuck.
driving.
Does anyone else want to fucking volunteer then?
Yeah, I'll do it. Get out.
Alright, okay.
Easy.
Yeah, Chubbs is not under the influence. Well, he probably always is.
No, I'm always under.
Oh, there you go, Chubbs.
But you're probably a. Are you an active drunk?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
It aids his skills if he's drunk.
Well, if he's an
And you
active
just
drunk,
ran the
he'll be
Vic.
fine.
You
He'll be
just ran the
fine.
Vic behind us.
Fine. He's an active drunk. It's okay.
Can't I
Steady's the
actively
hand,
can't
you
see
know.
anything, can't I? Am I even supposed to be driving?
Follow the other one.
There is no column. It's just trees.
Oh no, we've already lost them.
We have to
We've been rear-ended.
You know what, lights? Fucking.
Fuck him. I'm
Okay.
using my lights, cunt.
So we have to go a bit more forward, then we have to go west.
I have have no fucking hopes for
What
this
the
section.
fuck did we just get into? Wait, what?
We haven't actually gone anywhere from the boat. So, where are we supposed to be going from the boat?
Move back. This is a dead end.
Bulk.
Oh shit.
Fucking smashed him.
Fuck Barnesy cunt.
We want to go like west or something.
Where the fuck are we going?
Well,
Then work on him, cunt.
Oh wait.
you roughly go west, then you go north.
Yeah, so just head back to the country.
Yeah. No, I got it, cunt. It's just fucking autistic. There's so. Where the fuck did the other cunts go? I'm just getting stuck on everything. I'm gonna follow these cunts. Fuck them.
Why is there anime titties on the other vehicle?
Don't worry about it. I don't know.
This is not YouTube friendly.
That's not anime titties, that's bloody Misakamoto.
I don't know, I can't see anything, can I? All I see is anime. Woman.
I'm gonna trust you guys on this. Whoever's on toned out.
I just fucking KO'd a tree.
Should have drove faster. Go around the tree if you can.
I'm trying.
There you go.
Fuck yeah.
This is why we let you drive
mount
and
the
pay you the
dog.
big bucks.
Like a fat chick out of Mad Cow.
Easy.
Stop.
As I said, functioning alcoholic.
Oh yes, we're all together now.
What the fuck? Of course I get fucking stuck.
I love how there's a good idea to bring fix.
Our great Captain Lucas sent us in vehicles.
Can't. You fucking mongrel.
Just ram them. Go faster, Chubbs.
I will. We're stuck.
I'm sure some great god will help us.
I feel like walking.
I think you're stuck
Honestly,
on a
yeah.
tree.
I feel like we can get that fast before.
Yeah, but we won't look as cool, so. What the fuck?
We're just getting more and more stuck.
How the fuck?
Can we just no clip, please?
We like going to the back.
What the f-
We're stuck in a tree.
Activate its turbo. Let's go.
Fuck this, I'm just gonna ram the dog.
Fucking go!
Nah, it didn't work.
We're sort of turning through it. Just like
There we are.
slam it.
Oh no.
There you go.
Yeah.
Easy.
Fucking rip it, little Johnny.
That's a rock.
Uh-oh.
wrong.
Thanks,
We've gone
thanks.
vertical.
Only thing that's gone vertical is my
Turn
cock.
to the left of it. Turn to the left of it. Yep.
There we go.
Oh fuck, where'd the others go?
They went right. They went
Just
west.
keep going. We'll get it
Go
somewhere.
west.
No, not that way.
It's go
Just keep
straight,
going, so.
and then it'll be a right. Alright, yeah, there we go, right. Yep, fuck that tree.
That's another tree.
And if you just keep heading around like west, should be fine. I'll be your guide. Got a deep farmer. The mark we're supposed to go to is like northwest around 290. So if you just head that way, it'll be to the vehicle drop off point.
Oh wait, I see lights.
Follow the lights.
Go to the line. It's just like
If
a
you
fucking
can.
group of enemies.
I don't care at this point.
We have a gun on top.
Fuck these rocks, cunt, and some cunt's fucking mad.
Turn to the left a bit more. You can go third person.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my god, cunt, is this how you guys have been doing it? Fuck you for not telling me earlier.
We're too used to mid-ops, Chubbs.
Yeah, I got used to med ops, bro.
I don't even have a third person button.
It's just enter.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, it's stock standard for armor, dude.
Mine
That's
don't
enter
do
on your
anything.
keypad. On your keypad.
I don't have one, do I?
Do you have? Oh well.
Yeah, I'm a gamer. I don't need no keypad.
I'm sure about that one.
Hang on, I'm gonna be back. I'm getting harassed.
Remove the cat from the room.
No, yes, literally, I've got so much bites on me. Like, literally, all down my legs, on my back and everything is bitten.
What the fuck?
I understand. 200 meters.
Remove the hazard, my dude.
Yeah, I'll be back.
It'll probably take us like half an hour.
Can't.
Try your best, chubs. Some god might help.
I just love it.
No, I can't be staying in here about this.
Until I say so, we're gonna stay in this fucking thing.
Do I have permission to walk out on this?
I'll fucking shoot you for insubordination, cunt.
Down.
It's been illegal for a while, dude.
The voice of reason.
I'm finding all the crushed trees and shit, just making my way fucking downtown. What?
Making my way downtown. Fuck!
By the time we reach there, all the fight's gonna be done.
Cunt, my heart rate's on my watch is currently at 85. What the fuck? My resting heart rate is 62. Why is it so bad?
Just keep fucking going.
In the 90s, there is a man with a smartwatch counting his heart rate. He is getting more and more agitated by the minute.
And you've hit the fucking...
Can I gonna hit you in a fucking second?
Lucas is
What the
watching
fuck
like...
are you on about, cunt?
It's just watching
Right,
us.
okay, you know what? I'm taking driver, you change out. Charles does some order.
Just take that left.
I'm trying, cunt, but I keep getting stuck.
Chubbs, that's a fucking order. Where's the passenger?
No, cunt.
You
Alright, where am I
can't
going
do
from
shit,
here?
chubs.
Someone guide me.
Go.
Keep going straight.
325.
325.
And just head there. It'll be the right.
What the fuck?
Just go straight.
Oh, this recording's gonna be great. What's that? Oh, shit. I'm gonna turn in.
Am I going the right way? Oh wait, I see people.
Drive to the people and turn your headlights off.
Stop.
Chubbs,
The gamers have arrived.
Yeah, it's Alpha.
gunner engage.
Whoops. I didn't mean to help out.
Yeah, I did.
Hi, Chubbs.
Correction 48.
Hi, Sid.
Hello, gamers.
I'm gonna do a rocket jump to kill myself.
Alright, brother.
Please don't.
Alright, okay, Bravo, jump out.
Yeah, over.
And it is just invisible. Like, I can't see. I can hear. Oh, there's a tree there.
Did Misaka listen in the briefing? That's the real question.
No.
Did
I
anyone
can't fucking
listen?
see, I'm tired.
I have no alcohol in my system. I need alcohol.
Go drink.
I will as soon as this
Look
op's
at-
over. I'm gonna hit up some fucking club or something.
Easy.
Bravo,
What are you gonna
calling
drink?
for you.
I've already
Everything.
inhaled 8 beers,
Easy.
mate. Please.
8.
I smothered
Is that
myself in the anti-bite cream. I am now feel more smoothing.
Can you slide?
Nice. Yeah, can you slide?
And somewhat so, yes.
Good. We've got our tactical nuke right here.
Yeah, I'll
You see
Kill them with
enemies,
all
you
the
just
fleas
slide
that I
it
have.
into them.
It's back on.
Bravo.
Yep.
Fuck. Fucking Christ.
Bravo.
Alright, okay, fucking,
Mason, we need to go to Hag.
fucking Lego your IC and fucking fries your 2 IC.
Minimize.
What?
Oh,
What the fuck is
I
going on?
guess they are on my CD.
Mason just like rage quit.
Bravo on me now.
Alright, Bravo. A for who's new IC, over.
Yes, I am IC. Yeah, I am IC. Lego, you are 2 IC.
Am I for it?
Yeah.
Where's McCracken?
Lego, your
I'm
lead.
right here.
McCracken, my son. Alright, form up with us.
Lego, your lead. Yeah.
Bravo.
So go in front.
Alright,
Just go in front. Just go behind me and then.
Oh, okay. Alright, is everyone formed up? Let's go.
I'll take up the rear.
Yeah, you'll take up rear. Red team, go on the rear. Follow me, the rest of you.
Who
I'm
does
just
you
a
know?
little cigarette
I'm
for
from
my
HQ.
drive.
Puzzle, there was a crazy pilot behind you who's been trapped in the jungle for like a week. I was actually
Yeah.
seeing people. So,
How are you still alive?
I don't
No
know.
idea.
ate my own.
I will care not
That's
to
how I'm alive.
explain that.
Oh no, did we lose Masaka?
No, he went ahead like a fucking idiot. Went to the RV.
Okay.
The RP.
Based.
It's not. He's
It was a rock run failure.
jungle ambiance is cool though.
Bravo. Last op for this era. Behave from Sunray
Sunray,
or Captain. I don't
Moonray, Moonbeam.
Or 6-3. 0.
I'm at touch on
Tater
the rest.
potato, buddy captain.
Yeah, there you go. Here I am, once again.
Bro, my immersion.
Yeah. With your dad. Perfect. Who the fuck is Kembury? Kembury.
That's Masaka.
Oh.
Kimberly.
It's his real name.
Is it really?
Yeah, Dalton Kimbry.
This Cameron has a good name.
Yeah.
Oh damn, you don't want to know my name.
Go on with your. Oh no, yours is Hunter.
What? No.
No, you're not Hunter.
That's
No.
Hunter. Digger.
You're Hunter. My bad.
Mine's Kyan.
Klein?
That's right.
Kleiner?
Fine.
Fuck off,
Part of
crazy.
the science team?
Fuck off, Chubbs.
No.
I remembered names.
Anyway.
Guys, you're gonna need the objectives. Please be quiet.
Kiss my heart, Mel.
Hearts and
You
minds.
guys are going to be from here, heading around the side of the airfield and moving towards the thingy. I will put a marker around
Thingy.
So you
The-
want us just to follow the
the
line?
TNI
Where-
compound. Yes, so
Oh yeah.
proceed to alright, proceed to marker monkey pits, and as soon as you reach that, you will stop, you will wait for the distraction to go off, which will be either a DC-3 or an AN-2 going through.
Yep.
And then you will start moving pretty much as rapidly as you can to the TNI compound into building Alpha 211. finding our
Two,
guy,
two, one,
and
yep.
then getting out.
Shouldn't we go to Alpha 29 first, so it's the closest,
Okay, yeah.
and we can
Clear,
make a way through
clear
here?
that, and
Wait,
then
Hag, do you want me to
use
go
that
with,
and go into
Bravo?
211.
Yeah, too easy.
With who?
Do you want me to go with
Yeah.
Bravo?
Kraken.
APC,
yeah,
trucks,
you go with
Mason
them.
just rage quit.
We
Yep,
got five.
okay, yeah, you go with them.
yeah,
We got 5 people across the.
Five
Yeah,
people?
we should-
Yeah,
yeah,
that's
we've
fine.
got decent
Just-
numbers.
Yeah, you roll with them. You roll with them.
Alright, where are you,
everyone
Lego?
else
Come here, you sexy
will
man.
roll with Alpha.
Alright.
Right here, baby.
Clear the bottom edge of the
Nice
airfield.
jobs. Never mind.
We're gonna blow up
Leave
the
me out.
Oh.
Kraken,
He's
McCracken,
mine,
go,
bitch.
Most important
go
thing
red.
you need to remember:
Make
So
me, bitch.
do not go until you hear the
Later, we're in the
or
middle
if
of
you're
combat.
told to go. All right,
Sweet as.
Yep.
Rog.
well, now that
too
an
early,
actual rank guy is
wait
here.
as monkey tits. Righto.
Monkey tits, alright. Lego, you
Alright.
take, Lego, you take point.
Alpha.
Yeah, so who wants to be McCracken? You're probably 2 IC now. Just, I,
Two I see.
did you have
Damn,
a
bro.
rank? I don't.
I have rank as well.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
no,
the rank is
rank.
a fucking
Oh.
private, shut your mouth.
Whatever. Yeah. Fair enough, alright. Let us. Alright, Hag, we're off. So, wait for the time. See you in there.
See you, mate. Right, are we good
Yo.
to go? You guys got that?
Yeah, we can do that.
You're gonna make me work? Gross.
Ooh.
Yep.
I'm stuck in a tree. Fuck yeah.
So what, you taking Chubbs and Lego? Alright, sweet as.
Can we please get rid of the strobe lights?
But I can't see you otherwise.
No.
I guess maybe just keep a close eye on each other, that's really it. Yes. Quizzle.
I'm yet to hear Quizzle speak.
I think Quizzle's mic, so I don't go a bit of a hissy fit.
Can you confirm Quizzle?
It's not very good.
Ooh.
Okay. Would you like money for a new mic? I'll happily donate.
The Quizzle Fund.
Alright, I'm gonna need the 4 numbers at the end of your card and the 3 security numbers on the back.
Feels bad. Ooh, a helicopter. I'll shoot that.
Don't know
Don't
if you
shoot
do.
the heli.
How am I gonna get my friendly fire
Now
out?
we're going a little far right.
I love my blue on blue.
Yeah.
Pretty sure. Lego, do you have a marker on the first corner? Alright, sweet as. If we see that light again, go and throw. And are we in the open?
A little bit.
Drift a bit right, Lego.
It's night time. What?
Yeah, I prefer to keep it in the bush.
Oh, same.
Yeah. Did it with
Bush.
my missus as well, bro. The bush is actually the main place.
See? I don't know why people are like, oh, it's gonna be shame to clean. It's like, nah, come
Bro,
on, we
I
get
love the
primals,
bush.
fucking tear that shit apart.
Yeah.
One with the bush.
Yeah, bro. Call me the whippersnipper, cunt, 'cause I'm tearing that shit up.
I'll sit in the middle of the tree and watch you walk past, and I'll tear you limb to limb.
Alright, hold it.
Is that a sexual innuendo?
I don't know. Probably.
I hope so.
Alright, we're moving up to monkey tits.
Fuck yeah, I love monkey tits.
Hell yeah. Love me some monkey.
Alright, well, we're gonna keep it quiet from there on. If you need to talk, Just tell me.
Halt, all
What do you need?
section, halt.
Hold it.
Through, full bravo. So yeah, fuck with that.
What's up with it?
Tripwires and mines, dude.
Tripwires and mines?
I don't have
Yeah,
a defusal
so watch
kit.
your feet.
Okay.
Alright, on foot, cautiously.
Yep. Alright, take caution, Lego. Carry on. Yes, it is.
Did they even have IR strobes during this time?
think so.
I think they did, but they're pretty shit.
Oh, okay. That's wild.
It is pretty easy to make an IR strobe.
I got no idea how any of that shit works, dude. I just wear it.
It's just infrared. It's just infrared. That's really it.
Isn't
I
that
don't know
what
what
night vision
infrared
is?
Yes,
Well, the old one.
night vision is always infrared, but it's a form of it.
The tubes.
Yeah.
Like in some way, the bloody infrared is kind of just like a tint of a light, basically. I don't know the exact formula for it.
Is that what your cat sounds like, Bryce?
Damn
No.
bush cats.
Oh,
My cat's just lying on my bed at the moment.
Being a
cute.
bitch.
I tried
Yes,
to think of your
she is
first
a
name,
bitch.
come up with a funny joke, but I already forgot your first name. Fuck. I'm so bad with names, cunt.
I thought you were good at names.
No, you want to know something really sad and funny?
You don't know your missus's name?
No, I don't have a missus anymore, but
Mm.
I have my full name and date of birth written down on my phone because I forget it.
Jesus.
How do you forget your date of birth?
I don't know, it's what happens when you abuse drugs, bro.
Feels
But
bad.
anyway, yeah, let's keep it down there. Hey Lego. Do you want to drift it off to the right a bit?
Can you see the
Getting a little
airfield to
bit
the left?
exposed. Yeah, I
Yeah.
see it as well. Yep. Let's try have bush coverage as much as possible. Yeah.
Big
Bush coverage.
Bush.
Oh, fuck.
Is that the signal?
I hope not, cunt.
Can't really see over to the airfield.
Alright, let's try double one.
Which one? A29 or A21?
Yep.
Actually, before we go, you gotta be
4
sure
8
that that
straight
was-
Bravo and ready to be broken and unreadable, taken over.
Could just be an armor moment.
4 8 straight Bravo, roger out. It was just a fucking landmine, one of the boys tripped a landmine.
Alright, let's carry on. Now they're on high alert, alright?
Let me just get myself. Let's get into the actual position.
How do you trigger a landmine?
You walk on it.
You step on
But
it.
don't you have to be really heavy?
Not really.
No, it's a probably anti-personnel.
Feels bad.
It's called a butterfly switch, bro.
Interesting.
Fair enough.
That's what we call it anyway. It looks like a butterfly when it flips, because you stand on it, the disc flips, and you fucking, like when you lift your foot off and it
Did
goes
they
bang.
tell you this or you see this?
No, this is what we get told, yeah.
Feels bad.
Well, you get a pressure depth where it just pressures down and blows up a percussion thing, and it goes bang.
Wow. Aggressive.
Yeah, war.
Never changes.
Alright, we're at the spot.
Roger.
We're at, yep, radio in. Alright, Lego. Do you not mind going blue?
I don't actually see anyone.
Yes, we are
Ooh.
taking 111 Quizzle.
This cunt just did a big fucking
We-
red flag.
What happened?
He just outed me when I opened the net.
Okay.
Oh, there's people in the base.
Yeah, no shit. But yeah, Quizzle,
And
You're
to
on
me
with me?
exploded.
that's probably another mine.
Another landmine.
So, once the plane explodes, Quizzle and Lego on me, Chubbs and Sib, you're on McCracken.
Right,
Roger.
McCracken. You guys are taking McCracken. You are taking them to Alpha 29, is that right?
Yes, sir.
and I'm taking them to, and I'm taking Lego and Quizzle to Alpha 211. Yeah, we're taking Alpha 211. Remember, PID are targets, but most of all, if we're in that area, do we all strobe lights on?
Are you boys ready to go or what?
Remember ROE, United
Easy.
Nations, halt,
Yep, United
don't
Nations
use your
halt.
weapon, all that shit.
Yep, if they shoot at us, we shoot back.
Alright, yo, I think we're ready.
Alright.
Alright boys, here we go, it's gonna kick off.
Gaming.
There's the laser.
It's about to go boys, wait for it.
That's the laser detonator.
Is that
Bang,
laser?
bang.
This is not laser.
IR strobes friendlies, most likely.
Let's take a picture with him.
Jesus Christ, this is painful.
Pretty easy to see them, to be
It's
honest.
like really.
Oh,
Alright,
and
let's go.
Let's go. Quizzle on me. Shots fired.
I will stack up on that fucking door.
Stack up on the wall. Alright, ready when you are, Lego. Yep.
Alright, just follow the wall.
We clearing this out or what?
Hmm? I should be right.
No, I hear bodies just go on it.
is the door unlocked?
Neg.
Now, anyone have a way to bust it down? Oh, got it.
Oh, easy.
Let's go.
Alright team. Team, new objective. We have to kill everyone at the base. They can't know it was us that just blew everything the fuck up.
We found our target.
Corporal Elenaki.
Did we?
Yeah,
Guy in it.
he's got his hands up.
Shit. Are we really killing them all, Chops?
Confirm. Not this guy though, I don't know who this is.
Yeah, I don't know who the fuck this
Don't
guy is.
engage people if
It's
we don't have
probably
to right
our
now, but as soon
target.
as we leave we have to kill everyone.
I'll check the other rooms.
Yeah, let's do upstairs as well. Oh shit. Jobs, you all good?
We're going to ladder looking at us.
There's plenty of munitions in this building. Oh, another guy. It's Indonesian guys.
Okay.
You got
United
cable
Nations,
ties?
lol.
Do you have cable ties?
No, I don't.
Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground!
I surrender!
United Nations, hit the ground, hit the deck, hit the
Boys.
deck!
We need to cap that guy and get the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
No, they can't come here, they're fucking emptying them.
Oh, wait. Everyone.
Can you like cut the sky or something? Because I can't drag him. Hello, gamer.
Fuck did you even go down?
What the fuck?
Guy came busting in. We're actually going fucking full broken arrow and we're killing everyone apparently.
What about the guy?
What about the guy? Oh, you're back, Chubbs.
Yeah, the guy we found.
I mean, who's the target? Is he one of us or is he Team Room?
I have no idea.
Because we weren't actually told what the target looked like. And if he's surrendering and it says he's on our team, I don't exactly want to pop him without knowing.
Yeah, I don't have cable ties to move him around either.
Jubs, are you there?
Fuck me. Yeah, I'm up.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, sorry, boys.
We don't have an ID.
4-8, send over.
But it says he's on our team.
4-8, wait 1 over. What's our status? What are we doing?
There's this guy down here that surrendered.
It doesn't say he's
yeah.
a baddie. Fucking baddie. It doesn't say he's like an enemy. So I don't want to pop him.
We don't have zip
4-8,
ties either.
this is 4-8 Bravo. We have taken minor contact, but we've dealt with
check
it.
the
We have
cache,
one
actually.
person.
There's a person in here.
Shit.
And he's dead. He shot first.
Can we just kill this cunt? Just baggage.
I mean, if he's the fucking guy we're supposed to be rescuing, I'm gonna get a kill. Do you want to check on radio, like who we're supposed to be getting? We got friendlies across the courtyard.
Yeah, I popped the guy coming in.
Vane, you're in the wrong spot, bro. Vane, you're in the wrong spot. This isn't clear.
So how are we supposed to cuff him?
Everyone's here. Oh, he's dead
That
now.
wasn't me.
Is upstairs clear?
No, I haven't checked.
Alright, let's get upstairs. 4-8, this is 4-8 Bravo, be advised, person under control suffered a fatal heart attack and is now
It seems
deceased.
to be
over.
barricaded.
That mean Lucas doesn't want us up here?
Yeah, I'd assume so. So I guess we don't need that guy we killed.
Nah.
Okay.
4-8 Bravo, through, out.
Lag.
Alright, we gotta head out across the...
Back to Monkey Tits.
No, other side of the runway.
Bloody hell.
We gotta link up the rest of the team. Follow me, team.
Taking fire.
Alright boys, get around here. We're gonna go. No, not in there. Around here. Alpha, you guys get back to cover. Alpha, move. Everyone else cover. Alright, Bravo, go.
That's us.
For some reason I have a table on my screen. It won't disappear. Do you know how to get rid of this random...
What's on your screen? Is it a range table?
Yeah, it says fire mission.
Go to your self-interact and go to equipment. It might be in there.
Righto.
Fucking go.
I have a tourniquet on my leg. This is me
Yeah, fair
hooking
enough.
it.
Alright, just let's go. Don't hold here, go.
You got this, Charles?
Yeah. Oh, Hag, you just cover it.
Patch it later.
Yeah, we'll get it done. To get out of here.
Run, boy, run.
get our fucking Vics, and we will go.
Why don't we just
Right.
take a helo out?
Alpha, where are you? Alpha, you're leading.
Hi.
Alpha,
Wait,
on me,
just
let's
stay
go.
where everybody
Alpha,
else
Marker
Alpha,
here,
Alpha.
I wanna
marker
go once
here
the Vic
moment.
in
We
here.
are jogging, guns down. Let's go. Everyone follow them.
What the fuck?
On me, boys.
What happened to Fry's, Lego, and Quezzle?
I don't
No
know.
idea.
We have to fucking just accept that they're fucking dead probably.
I still
Oh,
have
I
this
lost-
fucking
I
table on
lost
my
them.
screen.
What is
there's
it?
people
It
behind.
says a justify mission. It has clear save, clear all, and it has all this random garbage.
I've got no clue.
I pushed a button and that
Oh.
appeared.
Yeah.
Fuck, where's Fries?
Not here. I'll head back because I got a radio and I need someone else.
Oh, Ernie and Sky.
Chubbs, I'm gonna give you blood.
No, that's alright.
You're good?
Yeah, man, I'll just pump myself full of morphine.
Alright.
Negative, I don't have any morphine, I'll be fine.
I could just give you some.
Boys, we, let's go.
They took pretty heavy contact.
I'll head back.
Alright. No, just...
Still
Push
alive.
one of
Better
the
off me,
Vics up.
'cause I got a
We still
radio.
have that Vic at the RP.
Yeah, true.
Fuck, okay. McCracken and Chubbs. Take the Vic at the RP and just fucking... like, raise hell and
Yeah.
try and get whoever you can into the Vic and back to the RP.
Roger.
Copy that.
Why?
Kraken, do you want to drive? 'Cause
Why?
I can't
Yeah,
get
sure.
up. Also, I can't
I
see
assure you,
anything.
because one of us has to go on the gun, and if you die,
Do you want me to
Just
go
pick
on the
up my
gun?
radio, man.
I exist.
Who's
the
there?
radio can get destroyed,
Sid.
but
Yeah, come with.
This range
Well, buddies
table
in
won't
there, yeah.
fuck off though.
Can you drive?
Yeah, I can. It's just on the left of my screen.
I don't know. We just walked past it, what the fuck?
The vehicles?
Where?
We were just by it, where we were before.
Like where our bucket was.
The fuck's a bucket?
The M113.
It was, we were talking before.
Oh, alright. Where the fuck did Kraken go?
He's somewhere around here. You can see it on the funny mini-map.
I can't. Kraken.
Oh,
Kraken.
Kraken.
Yeah, I hear people. There you are.
Howdy.
No, that's
Hey,
not. That's Hag.
I found the
Kraken,
pilot.
where's McCracken?
Sib,
Where did Kraken
you're
go?
alive.
Yeah,
Kraken.
he's here
Crack-a-lacka.
somewhere.
We're looking for the bucket. We can't find it.
Oh, is that him?
Lucas is now online.
Alright. Alright, lads, let's just fucking figure out who's at the airfield, who isn't. Let's just get this shit done and go.
I'm having a heart attack.
Having a heart attack?
Just you guys stay here.
Okay.
We'll just send 2 people. Sid.
He just fucking died.
Okay.
Sid.
What?
Let's go.
Does anyone know how to get rid of this table?
Yeah, fucking
No.
let's leave them, they're dead.
Well, you stay here as a curator. We'll let you know what's going on.
Me?
Fucking...
No, you
I-
come with me, Sid. No,
I
fuck.
don't know who you're talking to, lol.
No, I told you to come with me. You fuck.
I was pushing my, my sight button and fucking range table shit came up. It's literally how to call artillery.
Well, I don't know, man. Oh. Sib, you good?
Yeah, I'm behind the building.
In or
Ow,
behind?
fuck.
Maybe in. Fuck me.
Yeah, we sure we don't want to go get a fucking truck?
I'm right side of the building. Over
One
here.
moment, I'm healing myself. I think they're around this corner. Oh, my foot's gone. My leg is very gone. Where the fuck's my gun?
Come on, let's go this way.
Mate, leak's broken.
Is it?
Yeah, I got shot
Alright,
up
head
through the
back
wall.
and get replaced by someone.
I can't move far.
Alright, fuck it.
One moment. I'll fix myself.
For Bravo, we
Where the
are
fuck did you cunts go?
at the airfield. Over.
Yeah,
Alright.
Vic's totaled.
Oh,
Engines
yeah,
fucked, tracks are fucked.
Yep. Okay, we need to get a position in this fucking place. We are holding this airfield.
I would not hag. Oh, Jesus.
Are you good?
Orders from the captain.
Me? I got shot on the leg, broke.
I don't have enough stamina to kill them. Alright.
And a better, hopefully.
Should be good. Yeah, you should be good. Go nuts.
Cool beans. You don't know how to get rid of a certain table that actually shows up on the side of your screen.
What does it look like?
It's like a range table. It's supposed to just for our mission.
Got him.
Do you know anything about that?
No, is it right shift K? No. It's not. I know, I'm looking at how to join a fucking league for some reason.
The fuck?
Yeah, man.
Do you know how to get rid of this thing though?
No, I don't think so.
I was doing that when I was trying to change my gun sight, but this thing showed up and went fuck off.
So it'll be like control something. Dude, I've done nothing as a medic or fucking pop.
I'm just trying to get rid of this fucking thing. Hopefully I don't get done.
We will. Uh-oh.
Is that plane?
What the fuck is that? Oh, it's still on. I shouldn't be getting
cozy ground.
Sup, gamer?
The fuck out the co-pilot seat.
We mean?
Get out of it.
I need to watch the action. I'm recording.
I don't like your kind.
What do you mean? I know how to
That's
fly.
alright. That's alright, you're fine.
I flew with the funny Australian that got overdosed that one time.
Oh.
You know, I get told
Yes,
to do one
I'm that
thing,
good.
and then I have to do the other thing.
Well, that's... Yeah.
Who's dancing in the ramp?
That's...
How long does it take to just run?
Hey, that's what you do.
All the people are running now. They finally decided to run.
Wedge tail is leaving in 30 seconds.
And now they're walking.
29, 28, 27, 26,
They're walking.
25.
Look at them slowly
24,
saunter over.
23,
Oh, they're running.
22, 21, 19, 18, 17,
This guy is
16,
just
15,
slowly running.
14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Do it on your
5,
I don't give a shit,
4,
we're going.
3, 2, someone needs to be parted, I think.
Go.
3,
Just go.
3,
Go.
2,
I saw them all get on.
3, 3.
Come on, let him in, just let him in.
We
Someone
can't
else
go.
needs parted.
How are we still going?
Tell him to use ace. Use ace.
Skynet massive.
3, 2,
Just leave them.
1. I'm leaving.
Go.
Oh no! I made it! One person.
Now don't crash, eh?
Godspeed, everyone left behind.
They call you the pilot for a reason.
Oh well, nothing of value is lost.
Now where are we going?
You're going straight to hell, Sonny.
This is
I need a
exciting.
kill.
Hey.
Your pilot is injured.
We just tell them what the guys were behind.
I can fix that.
You got left
Hey
behind.
guys.
Chubbs and Skynet were shots. I don't know.
Nah.
Skynet was the one.
Huh?
Who was the oh,
Who the fuck is...
that was me actually dropped Chubbs.
Oh.
He's dead.
You're actually
Oh,
not
Good
injured.
luck in the jobs.
Alright,
Hi, get into the helicopter. You're dead now.
just keep flying crazy.
I think you got ACL. Or
I am flying.
whatever. Zeusel,
healed everyone.
Mr. Pilot Man.
Chubbs.
Thank you.
How can you see
Open
anything?
the door. Keep us in the sky.
Wow. I'm gonna
can you
get
hear me?
demonetized.
Yeah.
Everyone shut up.
Alright, listen up. I think you guys to get spotted. And I think one of you guys shot somebody. So yeah. I think the first thing that got set off was a truck wire. But overall, everything went fine. I think this probably will be our last one in the Team War campaign. No, I think we'll just keep flying for a little bit. I'm trying to like think what I have to say. But I mean,
We're approaching
overall,
landing, so
yeah,
hurry
we're
up.
not. I should stay in the sky, can't.
Ah!
You should have landed.
You all listening?
Yep.
We'll most likely be moving to Vietnam either next week or the week after, depending on if I can get it up ready in time and get modders out, all that. If you do not own the DLC, I'll make a channel for gifting. Everyone's welcome to gift someone the DLC if they can't afford it. I'll probably be the one contributing the most, because I'm happy to. But if you have extra money or you're willing to share, I appreciate the help, helping all of our members enjoy our campaigns or our operations. So just overall, good work tonight. A little bit of hee-ha-has and fuck-ups, but overall it was a good operation. You like fly straight crazy? I'm gonna make it daytime. Fly straight. I want it to be nice and early.
We're going to a downward spot.
Oh
we're
no,
dying.
we're crashing. Oh god,
We're
the
dying.
engines are out. Seagulls.
Oh, I'm
Ow,
flying.
so bright.
Alright, you see that? Everyone look up the ramp. Alright? You ready?
Why is there a
Crazy.
bomb?
This
We
is what
can't
we
see
should've done to the
anything.
fucking Denise a while ago, eh?
Oh no.
Oh my god.
I have 9 FPS.
Oh no.
Ow.
The aircraft is being
User has joined your channel.
User has joined your channel.